Okay, we'll continue. Okay, so this downer part must come right side. So we have to see this are
Option 1.
this. In this three, we have to check. Okay.
Option 1.
So I will see the lines. If this will come straight, means like this. If this will become like this, you want to become this, it will come. This line will become like this. If it will become like this, what will happen? Wait, I will draw this as this. This line must, I have to draw this as this. First of all, see this line. This line is straight like this. Understood? And this line also, how they have given straight given? No, it will come cross. Understood? What's happening here? You have understood? Okay, draw anyone. You try to draw and show me. What's happening here? Fastly. How it's going? You try to draw. Okay, you are unable to draw. I have understood. Okay, wait. I will show. I will show. Are you? Do you have anyone is ready to tell me the reason why answer is 1 is absolutely correct? You tell me anyone in the class. Why 1 is absolutely correct answer?
Because it was going unclockwise.
It is rotating clockwise, and
again,
this,
like, yes, sir.
this triangle became, this triangle
Again.
shifted. This triangle shifted
Yes, sir.
fully. This line came down.
Sir, again,
It was rotating in clockwise direction.
It will move like this, and it will come straighter to it.
direction.
Do you have any doubt why this came this cross, this cross? Because it is already in the cross position. I am making here straight. That's why it will become like this. Okay. Is this also? Have you drawn anyone in the class?
19th, 18th one option 1, 19th one option 4.
Okay.
19th one option 2. 19th
19th
one.
one option 2. Option 2 is correct. 3 stars.
Sir, option 2.
Option 2. Yes, very good. Correct answer. These are moving in the direction of star. Okay. This moon. Of moon. Okay.
Option
Okay.
4.
Option 2 is absolutely correct answer. Right. 4 is absolutely wrong. These stars are moving
The stars are not coming in.
anti-clockwise direction. Came here, and this again came here. Understood? Again, this move like this. So this is the correct answer. Option 2 is the correct answer. Right. Next, first, this one.
20 option 3. Sir, option 3. Sir, the stars option 3.
Anti-clockwise direction. No? Right.
Option 3.
Very good. Fast, fast. Good, good.
23.
This one. 31. Good, good. I have listening. Madhurika, you no need to
Sir, option 3.
loudly. Okay.
option 2, 21 option 2.
21 option 2.
Option 2. Sir, 21 option 2.
Sir, 21 option 1, sir.
Option 2. This.
Sir, option 1.
This
Sir,
one.
option 1.
Sir,
Sir,
option 1.
21 option 1.
21 option
Option 1.
21 option 1, sir.
But how we can define that series? Yes, series. Okay, these are series.
Option 1.
So it following always only this one only rotating. Understood? The change is occurring to
22
this
option
one.
one,
Again,
Sir,
this.
22 option 1. 22 option.
Yes. Yes.
Sir, 22
Yes.
option 1.
Yes.
Option 22 option 1. Sir, 22
Option one is
option
up.
1. Option 4.
Who told option Lakshmi Sami? It's not good. It's wrong. Because here empty circles.
Sir,
Dotted
option
circles.
4.
Empty circles.
Sir, option
Not
4.
mistake. These are blunder mistakes.
Sir,
Tell
option
mistakes.
4.
Okay, good. Next.
Option
This one.
4.
This one.
Option 4.
Four.
Option 4.
This. Anti-clockwise. 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 Again, it will come like
Option
this.
2.
And these circles, boxes are filling anti-clockwise. This one. This one. Again here. So what's the answer? Option?
5.
Put on fastly. Too good. Very good. Good.
Sir, option 2. Sir, option 2.
Correct answer.
2. Option 2.
Okay, good. You are
Option 2.
faster. Yes, this one. Make it fast.
1, 2, 3, 5.
6, 5, 4, 3.
Option 4. Sir, option 4. Option 3. Sir, option 3. Option 3, sir. 24 option 2. 25 option 3.
Option 2.
24 option 2, sir.
Okay, lock it.
Sir,
Option 2 not sir.
Option 2 only correct answer. Option 2.
option 2.
Option 2.
Sir, option 2.
Why you are making these blunder mistakes? These are silly mistakes. These are simplest questions actually. Here see 6, 5, 4. Then you have to 3. Okay, these all are 3 only. Here inside see 5, 4, 3, and you need to get 2. Okay, you have to
Sir,
choose.
option
2
2.
circles are there in 2 and 4. And you have to check this line is in everything. So that's why answer is 4. You should not do mistakes. Next fast.
Option 3.
Circles, box. Down, go. This what will come?
Option 3.
Option 3.
Option 3. Sir, option 3.
Option
Sir,
3.
option 3.
Option 3 is absolutely correct or wrong?
Option 3, sir.
Very
Sir,
good,
option
children.
3.
Good. Very good. Now you have think creative. Good. Next, fast. Why? This is moving clockwise. Again, it have to move not clockwise. Going like this.
Sir, option 1. Sir, 26 option 1.
Yeah.
So 26 option 1, sir.
27 option 4. Option 2. 27 option 2.
Sir, 27 option. Sir, 27 option 2. Sir, 27 option 2.
Option
27 option
Okay, next
2.
28.
Option 2.
Sir, option 2. Sir, 28 option. Sir, 4. Sir, 28 option 4.
Okay. Option 4 or 2? 4 or 2?
Sir, 4.
4. Next, this one fast.
Sir, 4. 61.
29 option. Not. Option.
Must become straight. Okay. Next, it's also move. It is like this.
Sir, option 1.
Option 2.
First of all, you have to observe the change. Here, it became like this. This one,
Option 2.
what is happening here?
option two.
Here it's decreasing.
Sir, option 2. Sir, option 2. Sir,
Option 2. Shall we log
Sir,
the option 2?
option
Which one is the correct answer?
2, sir.
Sir, option 3.
Don't throw stones like this. You have to tell perfect answer.
Sir, option 3.
Sir,
It's also decreasing. So which one? First.
sir, 2.
Sir, 3. Sir, 3.
Sir, 3.
Sir, option.
Like this. Here also decreasing it was. Okay. Decreased everything. Option 2.
Sir,
There is no changes in option 2 and 1. 2 and this figure are same.
Sir, 3, I think, sir. 3.
Don't think, no thinking questions. You have to tell correct question, correct answer.
3.
3.
Sir, option 3.
Yes, sir, option 3.
3 only. 3 only, sir. 3, sir, 30.
Okay. We'll keep
Sir, this
3.
wrong question, I think, sir. Sir, this
These
wrong
type of
question.
questions, they will ask accurate answers. Okay, you are able to think this much properly. No need to worry this type of question. Okay, 3. Right, next one, fast. One.
3.
Anti-clock.
Sir, 30
Clockwise.
option.
40 to 45 degree.
Sir,
Option 3. Sir,
option 3. Sir,
Okay,
option
fast.
3.
Option 3 is correct answer.
3.
Off. 45 degrees. 3. Okay, good. Fast. This one. 1 circle, 2 circle. 1 box.
Sir, option
2 box.
Sir, option 1. Sir, option 1.
Why not 4? Why not 4?
Option 1.
In this circle, around the circle it was formed. Like that only, around the box it must form. Like this. Around this box. Understood? In this, around this circle only it was formed. Okay, fast. Make it fast.
Sir, 32 option 2.
Sir, 32 option. Sir, 3, sir.
2. Sir, 2. Sir, 2. 2.
Sir, option 2. Sir, 32 option 2.
Very good. Make it fast. Very good.
33 option.
Just you have to think like this it went. Like this it went. Again we have to think like this it went. Like this it went.
33 option 3, sir. Sir,
2
33
lines, one
option.
line extended horizontally, vertically, both. You have to extend. You don't throw stones like that. You have to tell perfect answer, absolute answer.
Sir, option 3.
Option 3. Yes. Next, fast. 3 circles, triangle. 4 lines. 4.
Sir, option 4.
Why not 3? Why not 4? Tell me fast. Make it fast. Please make it fast. Why not 4? Why not 3, 4?
Sides are equal, sir. All sides
Sir,
are
there
equal.
is, sir, there is small size.
All sides are equal. Then only it becomes here. Okay. This one fast.
Sir,
This one.
Sir, 35 option 3. Sir,
Make it fast.
option 3. Option 3.
What happened?
Option 3.
Sir, option 3.
Madhurika, what you are telling? Something you are telling.
They're big lines.
Option 3.
Okay, good. You should not tell like that big lines. These all lines are equal. Like that you have to tell. You are a professional children. You are educated. That's why you have to tell these all sides are equal. That's why it will become squares. Okay. Next, fast. This one, 36.
Sir,
Sir, 36.
Sir, 36 option. First,
Sir, option 2. Sir, option 2.
Okay, good.
Sir, option 2.
Next, fast.
Sir,
Sir, option 4. Sir, option 4.
4. Yes.
4. Sir,
Good.
37 option.
Next, fast.
Sir, option 2. Sir, option 2. Sir,
Okay,
option
good. Next, fast. Rotate like this.
Sir, option 3.
Good,
Option
fast.
3.
Make it fast. Good.
Option 3, sir.
This is also easiest question. Circles in between one, no dot. One.
Sir, option 1.
Sir, 1.
You tell before I will click this. Before I will
Option
click
1.
first. This
Okay,
one.
sir.
Okay, sir.
This one fast.
Option 2.
Yes. Here, see.
Sir, option 2.
Arrows are filling. Arrows are filling. Okay, option 2. Next, this one. Exchanging and inside. This also come inside.
Sir, option
It must go that side. Option
Sir, option
2.
Sir, option 2.
See properly
Option
these
2.
arrows.
Option 2, sir.
Half arrows.
Okay,
It's
sir.
this one. Triangle, inside, and inside means we have to go outside.
Sir, option
Sir, option 4.
Yes, first.
4. Here.
Left, right, side, downside, and this.
Side
What has happened? It is rotated perfectly and make it down. And it must go rotate like this and come down. Understood? What has happened here? It is like this and it is rotated and come down. Or you can see it like this. It is moved this much time. Half circle. Half circle it is moved. Okay? This also move half circle. In which direction? Clockwise direction.
Sir,
This
option
must
4.
move.
44.
Half circle.
Sir,
So what's the
option 4,
answer?
sir.
Option 4, sir.
Option 4. Yes. 4 only. Become like this and it will move like. Understood? This also,
Yes,
you
sir.
can simply don't these circles known it. This thing, this was exchanged, rotated this side. Okay. And again it was moved once again. Okay. First of all, horizontal rotation and vertical rotation. Like this also, if you take horizontal rotation and vertical like this, then it will become 4. Okay. Understood? You may see. I will upload it in YouTube and you may understand. First of all, horizontal rotation and it will move vertically one side. Right side. Vertical one rotation. Okay. Okay. Next. This one. One horizontal rotation, one vertical rotation. You remember that? This analogy. Okay. You may see after this, after I will upload in YouTube. You may see. This one. First. Exchange. This one.
2.
You have to exchange. Circles will come up and box must come between. And that one be brighter. One. Option 1. First.
Sir,
This
option
first.
1.
You may see in YouTube afterwards. I will upload these all things happened. Not happened. This one. Option 2. Yes.
Sir,
2. Correct
option
answer.
2.
Yes. Next. This one.
Sir, option 3.
Sir, option 1. Sir, option 3.
Wait. I
Sir,
will see.
option 3.
sir.
Why not one?
3.
See, I am drawing the square, or you may also draw it here. No need of drawing. By seeing, you have to understand. Actually.
Option 4, sir. Sir, option 4. Sir, option 4.
Sir,
You see
48.
this land, okay? You see this shape, and you have to see this shape exactly in these 3, okay? Which is similar shape. First,
3.
this shape.
Sir,
This shape is
option
similar
3.
to option.
Sir, option 3.
Sir, option 3.
Okay, good. Right.
Sir,
Yes, first.
48 one option 4. Sir, 48 one option 4. Sir, option 4.
Okay.
Sir, option 4.
Why not this size is somewhat bit disturbing? Okay, this won't come because here like this here. Why not 1? You see here like this, it will become square or not? If I draw these endings, it will become square or not? That's important. All sides are equal or not? That's you check it.
Sir. Sir.
If I draw here, it will become square or not? And once you check this distance, understood? That's the answer is 1. Okay, right. Next, this one.
Sir, option 2, sir.
Sir, option 2.
Option 2, sir.
Sir, option 2.
Sir, option 2.
Option 2. Say lock it.
Sir, option 2, sir.
Sir,
It will become square. If I make 2 as in this,
option 3.
why not 3?
Option 3. Option 3 only, na? Option 3.
Yes, option is 3.
Option 3, sir.
Yes, next first. If I draw this much size here, it won't become square. Okay. Next, this one first. Without drawing, this shape you have to search.
Option 2.
Sir, option 2.
Okay, very good. Direct answer. Direct answer. This one. This
Sir,
shape you have to
option-
search. This shape. This shape. You search this shape. Here. Here. Option 4. Right. Next, first.
Option
This
4,
one.
sir.
This shape.
Sir, option 3. Option 3. Sir,
It's
option.
much deep now. 3 is absolutely wrong.
Sir,
Because see
option.
the shape.
Sir,
Here.
option.
Wrong.
Shape.
Sir, option 2.
Option 4 also absolutely wrong. You see the shape here. Option 3
Sir,
also
option-
absolutely wrong. The size you see
Sir,
here.
option
Option
1.
1.
Sir, option 1.
Sir,
Option 1.
Okay, next this one. See the shape here.
option 4.
Sir, option 4.
Right, 4 direct answer. Next this one. See the shape. First.
Option 2.
Sir, option 2.
Option 2.
Sir, option.
Wait a minute. Wait. You just see this. Wait, I will.
Sir, not coming screen.
Sir, coming, sir.
Coming.
Sir, not coming, sir. Screen.
Sir, option 2.
Sir, option.
Screen.
Sir,
See,
option.
wait.
Sir.
Till now, what happened? This screen went and came, huh?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
It's went and came, huh?
Screen.
Screen didn't come.
And
Yes, okay. Unknowingly, I didn't left. It's somewhat technical problem. Screen and I have also not visible to you.
Second.
no, sir.
Okay.
Sir, no, sir.
Game, sir.
Okay, I am also invisible. Okay.
No, sir.
Fast. This complete it fast. We will complete. This one answer what?
You also know.
Sir, option 2.
Yes, option 2 is correct answer. Next, fast. This one. You search this shape
Screen is not
oppositely.
available.
This shape. These two are not equal.
Option
Not
4.
same. Like this also.
Sir, option 4.
These triangles must not be
Option 4,
equal.
sir. Sir, option 4.
4. Very good. Good. These triangles are not at the same line. Very good. Next, this one fast.
Sir, option 4. Sir, option 4.
It will become rectangle now.
Sir, option 4.
It will become rectangle if we take option 4. These
Sir,
circles are
option 1.
at same line. Option 1. Yes.
Sir, option 1.
Option 1 or 2.
Sir, 1.
In the examination hall, okay. I'm telling the approach. See, in the examination hall, you must carry pencil also, so that you can draw these lines. These all things are equal or not. These are straight or not. These circles. Here it's showing this one is upper and this one is smaller. But in this circle is larger. Okay. This circle, this half semicircle is larger than this first one. So we need two equal circles. Okay. This one will get correct answer. Okay. Right. Next, first. In examination hall, they won't give like this. If they give fourth as a, it must become square. Like that also you have to think.
Sir,
By join this, it
video
will
is not
become square.
looking.
Sir, option 3.
Which one? This one? Absolute correct answer? Yes.
Sir, now okay.
Option 1 is absolutely wrong. Here it must come straightly. Option 3. You should not throw stones like that. You have to tell accurate answer. This triangle also correct only. Option 3. Okay, next. First. Last 3 questions. This shape perfectly. See carefully. Wholeheartedly. Option 3 is
Sir,
absolutely
option 3.
wrong answer. Absolutely wrong answer. You see what happened? Where you are concentrating?
Sir, option.
Not good, children.
Sir, option 2. Sir, option 2.
Yes, option 2 is perfect answer. Next, this one first. Option 1 is absolutely wrong. Who is telling? This one? Okay, right.
Option 4.
4. Yes. Next. Last question. Last question.
Sir,
This one.
option-
See the shape carefully. You visualize this
Sir,
shape is in
option
here only.
Sir,
You can check like this.
One.
One. This one see. This one see. You can see this one. You will get direct answer. Only if you see this shape, you will get direct answer. This one. Option 3. So with seeing that one
Option
shape
3.
also you will get like this. Okay. Correctly concentrate, children. Okay. So I will see. Tomorrow you must show your analysis. I will check your all your analysis and
option 3, sir.
okay. I will check. Tomorrow must show, everyone must show analysis and their 1, 2, 3, which part of is there a mistake, and you have to analyze yourself and sit from 11:30 a.m. to 1:30 p.m. Okay. Study seriously, children. Okay. Read fast, reading, analyze yourself. Okay. Right. I'm ending the meeting. Yes.